大家好 Welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class. And in today's lesson, we're gonna continue to learn the second special sentence pattern in the simple sentences. It's called the 被 construction. This one is different from the last lesson's 把 structure, right? Because this one is a passive voice, meaning the subject is the receiver of the action. So it's like the structure is a subject plus 被 plus somebody, the action doer, and then we added the verb, the action. Again, we also use the complement after the verb to show the result of the action. And for the verb, we can also use 叫 or 让, which means let somebody do something or ask somebody to do something. But the 被 is the most standard and most commonly used. Let's take a look at the first example. The cup was broken by him. Remember, the whole sentence is in a passive voice. So something was broken by somebody. Okay. The subject 杯子, we use the 被, right, preposition to direct or introduce the passive voice sentence. Okay, and then we add somebody, the person who does the action, okay, to the cup. And the verb, the action is 打破. 打 is broke or break. 破 is maybe 打破, broke it into pieces, right? Like that. Okay, so 杯子被他打破了. Now the second one, my bicycle was stolen. Subject, 我的自行车, my bicycle. This is a noun phrase. Okay, and we use the 被 to introduce the person and the action, right? Here we omit this somebody, which is very natural and common. Either we don't know who does this or who did this, or we just omit that, or we don't want to mention it, right? It's possible. So the verb or the action is 偷. 偷 is steal, right? So 我的自行车被偷了, stolen. Okay. Yeah, notice the structure is the subject plus 被 plus somebody, the action doer, and then plus the verb, and usually plus complement. Okay. That book was borrowed by a friend. 那本书, the subject. Okay, 被 plus 被 introduce passive voice. Okay, the action doer, 朋友, friend. Okay. 借 borrow, 借走了, borrowed and took away. So 走 is a complement of the 借. Okay, so that book was borrowed away by a friend. So you can translate this 被 like by, by. Okay, this one. The glass was broken by the wind. 玻璃被风吹破了. Subject or the action receiver, right? 玻璃 glass. 被 introduce passive voice. Who does this? Who did this? 风 风 is wind. Okay, did what? 吹 blow the glass, right? And then 破了, broken, right? Blow, broken. Add 了 to indicate already, right? Things already happened. So 玻璃被风吹破了. He was criticized by the teacher. 他被老师批评了. Subject that received action. 他 he. 被 like by. Okay. Teacher 老师. 批评 criticize. Okay. 了 again is commonly used to indicate that things already happened. This song is liked by many people. 这首歌被很多人喜欢。这首歌 subject 被 like by 很多人 many people the doer of the action and the action is 喜欢 like the food was completely eaten up 食品全被吃光了 so 食品 is the subject 被 is by but here we add 全 means all so it's like adverb or the appositive right all eaten up right and the verb is 吃 eat 光 finish like eat and finish so eat up the food was eaten up 食品全被吃光了 Okay, my mobile phone was broken by my younger brother. 我的手机被弟弟摔坏了。Here the subject, 我的手机 the noun phrase. 被 by 弟弟 the person who does the action 摔坏了smash and broken. Smash and broken. His secret was discovered by others. 他的秘密被别人发现了。他的秘密 is the subject, the noun phrase, and the action receiver. 被 by, this preposition introduces the passive voice. Okay, by who? By 别人 other people. 发现 discover. Right? So 他的秘密被别人发现了。That bird was caught by the cat. 那只鸟被猫抓走了抓住了。那只鸟 the subject, the noun phrase. Okay, 被 introduce the passive voice. 被 or by. 猫 cat, the action doer. Okay. 抓 catch, 抓住了。Okay, catch and control. That bird was caught by the cat. 那只鸟被猫抓住了。So remember this structure, right? Subject plus by plus 被 plus the somebody or something, and then plus the verb. The map was blown away by the wind. 地图被风刮走了。地图 the subject, action receiver. 被 introduce passive voice. 风the action doer, the wind. Okay, 刮走 blown away. So 刮 is blow, 走了 is away, right? So it's like complement, showing the result. Alright guys, so today we learned this base structure, which is a very commonly used passive voice sentence structure in Chinese simple sentences. See you next time. 再见。